Yes, hello, my brothers and sisters. Uh, Before you is Mr. Mohammed. Today we are here to teach you or to show you how we can make the subject of the formula, or we can make a variable to be the formula. For example, we've been given b root 3pr over 2 pi q, but the question says that we should make q the subject of the formula. So this is what we have. When we have this, what we do, we get b will equal to root, we'll write 3pr over 2 pi q. When you have this, what we do, we introduce a square. When you introduce a square, this means that this one is a b squared, sharp. So meaning that we have a b squared, this one has gone with this. So we have a 3pr over 2 pi q. But remember, the question says that we need q as the subject of the formula. So since we have this, what are we going to do? We are going to multiply by 2 pi q here, then you also get 2 pi q here. We multiply it. So this one shall be cancelled with this one. So here we are going to have 2 pi q b squared will equal to 3pr. So if we have this equation here, this means that we are having 2 pi q b squared. But remember, we need q to be the subject of the formula. So we are going to be forced to divide by a 2 pi b squared, both sides. A 2 pi b squared. So this one shall be cancelled with this one. So we remain with a q. So immediately as we get a q will equal to 3pr over 2 pi b squared. So this one becomes the subject of the formula. Now, if we have this one, we are having f equal to root 7 over e plus h squared. This one means that we have, first pause, we have f will equal to root 7 out of 3 plus h squared. What we do, we introduce a square both sides. We introduce a square both sides. This means that we are going to have f squared, all right? Then this one has gone with this. So we have 7, this is a e, 7 out of e plus h squared. We have a pig and a pig with a hen. So we have to make this cross the equal sign. Find the square or to find the friend since they are all square. So we are going to have f squared minus h squared will equal to 7 out of e. The reason is why here I've subtracted, here it is a positive, and wherever positive is crossing the equal signs, it becomes to a negative. And if we had a negative, then it would be changed to a positive. Now, if we have this, what are we going to do? This is somehow tricky, because if we want to make e the subject, this means that if we divide by 1 here, we cross multiply, still we are going to get this. And remember, we want to limit so that we can have e the subject. You know what we do? So it means that we can have f, we can first have 1 out of f2 minus h2 will equal to e out of 7. So immediately we have this, we find the reciprocal. Immediately we have this, we multiply by 7 here, we multiply by 7 here. So this one will be cancelled and remain with E equaling to 7 times 1. I will get 7 over, I'll get 7 over F squared minus H squared. This means that E will be equaling to 7 out of F squared minus H squared. So this is today's lesson. If you have a question and you want to learn with us, we can WhatsApp us on 0759 516362 if you want to have a lesson with us. Bye bye. I wish you the best. I wish the best of this.